Sanibonani, Dumelangi, Absheni, and hello. Hey, sinama complain amaningi aphuma ebantwini besilisa. I-complain yokuqala ebantwini besilisa ukuthi kanti thina abantu besifazane before bona bafika ezimpilweni zethu sigeza ngani ngoba sihlezi sifuna imali yama cosmetics kubo. Ngamanye amagama bathi thina singamaphara. So today we are going to tackle the issue yokuthi thina abantu besifazane sigeza ngani before abantu besilisa bafika ezimpilweni zethu. Libitso la ka ke Vanessa N Tsoteti on your new show Uthando Nemali, a show that tackles around issues of money, love life, lifestyle, business, and of course domestic violence and all the issues that affect the society. Today in my space, ngibusisiwe ngine guest igama lakhe uSisi Phumla Ncasane, a business woman and a woman of God. Namhlanje nje sizokhuluma ngaleyo issue leyo mina noSisi Phumla, usisi osebenza kanzima. Please help me welcome uSisi Phumla Ncasane. Sisi Phumla Ncasane, ngiyajabula ukuba nawe namhlanje on my space. It's a privilege. I'm honored. Ngihlezi ngiva abantu besifazane bakhuluma ngokuthi bona they will never work in their lives, like they will always like be dependent emuntwini wesilisa. How do you see this thing? Like, do you think it's wise for umuntu wesifazane ukuthi ahlale angayenzi nix? Do you think it's wise ukuthi umuntu wesifazane abe comfortable in not having anything, like your education, your business, your like a lot of things nje umuntu ahlale nje ayihlalele nje athi hayi mina ikhona indoda out there ezonyenzela izinto ezikahle, ukhona indoda ezongithengela iweave, ikhona indoda ezongithengela isicathulo nje awukhona nje nokuthi usithengele i-teeth brush ulinda indoda izokenzela. Like, how do you see that? Do you think we are going far with this mentality as abantu besifazane? Sisi Phumla,
ngithanda ukuthi ngibonge ngalethuba engiliphiwe lona. Ngibonge kakhulu ukuthi ngi-invitwe ngizokhuluma the issues that are affecting abantu besifazane, and nangalendlela soshilo ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi sizithola sisesimeni singabantu besifazane ngoba siyazi ukuthi siphila emhlabeni singabantu asifani. And masingabe sizela kanje sizokhuluma we not here ukuthi sizo undermine omunye umuntu noma sizomshifta kumcabango akuwo, kodwa sizozama ukuveza amasu nanezinto eziveza umuntu wesifazane engumuntu wesifazane, umuntu wesifazane engumuntu wesifazane, nayo yonke into. I believe ukuthi umuntu nomuntu oze emhlabeni uze ane gift yakhe ayiphethe, understand? So mangabe kukanjalo ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuzomsiza omunye umuntu lokho esizokudiscussa namhlanje ukuthi umuntu naye azazi ukuthi uubani, because umekuphi umuntu wesifazane umekuphi ngempilo, nanoma mhlambe ngabe sokhona into sowuzitshele ngayo ukuthi no mina my man is doing everything for me, yabo. Maybe kunezinto esizoziveza ezizomsiza umuntu ahleli lapha ekhaya, ahleli abukele lapha sibukele khona, kukhona izinto esizozikhuluma ezizomsiza umuntu.
Yeah, bazozuza a lot of things. Because vele I feel like if we don't face these issues, siyafailana as abantu besifazane, Sisi Phumla, to be honest. Because I feel like whenever uzokhuza umuntu wesifazane nge-behavior maybe etheni, ufila ngathi maybe uyamonela, ufila ngathi maybe when you don't understand their situation. Sometimes sikhona isimo sokuthi umuntu uyam-advise because uke waba kuleso simo leso, kodwa sinabantu besifazane ukuthi mawukhuluma naye uyabona nokuthi uyafyuma, mangathi kuye nje hayi mani ngine business opportunity esona so they are picky, abafuna ukuyosebenza, bayakhetha nemisebenzi, anyeke yena azaye ku abe yi-domestic worker, but akana nix ulinde ukuthi acele. Why kumele sicele if we can do something ngezandla zethu? Even if you have a husband that is maintaining you, even if you have a boyfriend ekenzela izinto, why can't you assist lapho ukuze akhuthale naye umuntu okenzelayo lezo zinto lezo? Sisi Phumla,
So mina ngiyangithanda ukuthi mangabe ngikhuluma noma mhlambe ngigqugquzela abantu besifazane ngikhulume ngami. Angithanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngomunye umuntu or istory engisifunde somewhere else. Ngiyathanda ukuthi mangabe ngenza umzekelo ngenze ngami ukuthi mina ngisuke kuphi. Ngizobekisa nje la ukuthi istory sami sisuke whereby bengihleli nje ekhaya. I was just a typical township girl, if I may put it so. Uyabo umntwana okhulele eKhrizane, and then uyabona ukuthi there is nothing ebhekiwe kuwe mangabe uzokhulela endaweni enjengaleyo. Abantu bathi mabakubheka they see ukuthi there is nothing good that can come ezophuma lapha. Yeah,
based on your situation.
Yes, bese ukhulela kuphi. I understand leyo nto leyo. So bese ngizigqugquzela leso sikhathi ngisaphuma high school, and then umama makasebenzi. I don't know my dad. Manje umama akasebenze ekhaya, sengikhulile sekumele manje nginakekele ikhaya. Okay, I do have my stepfather, but uyasebenza naye asize kube nala agcina khona. Kumele nginakekele my siblings. And I kept on saying to my younger sister ukuthi yazi sisi kunale phupho enginalo. Le phupho leli ukuqala ibusiness, and le business le ngifuna ukuthi ngiketharela abantu, ngifuna ukuthi ngingenzela abantu nje the events, different occasions. Ngisesemncane, bear in mind the time ngikhuluma leyo nto leyo. Kanti usisi wami leyo nto leyo, kanti usisi wami lento leyo iyahlala enhlizweni yakhe, ngiyayitshala, ngifuna ukuya la ngizothi la iqale khona le business. So ngisoloko kuba kanjalo. You raised a point whereby you've said ukuthi umuntu kunala aqala khona. Ngikhumbula mangabe ngisuka eSidingo, I did my N3 course there, and then ngabona ukuthi no man ngathi incwadi akusinto yami. Okay, kube nomunye usisi ongibizayo ukuthi khona umlungu ofuna umuntu azokoropa la emakhishini. I went there. Ngasebenza I think 3 years. Ngisebenza emakhishini. Gisebenza nje kahle. I was providing. My sister will tell you ukuthi I was the provider. I was the breadwinner. Yes. And I had a boyfriend who was taking care of me. I had to a point ukuthi bekeza azongilanda ngemoto. Proudly so. Bengiza sisuke sihambe soyenza shopping, buy bread for my siblings and my mom. I would take care of my family. Umntana sekhaya usesesikolweni, uyayithola yonke uniform, uyathola yonke into. Ngemali esuka kuphi? Esuka emakhishini. Isinkwa bengikhona ukusibeka etafuleni. I would walk a distance. Kwesinye isikhathi leso sikhathi bekusesekhona ama trains isifanele. Sesekhona ama train lapho ngihamba ngetrain. I would walk a 30 minutes walk ngiya lapho. That is why ngithi kwesinye isikhathi my boyfriend would come and fetch me ngoba vele ngihamba distance, but bengathi because uyakhona ukuthi azongilanda athi ngilale uzonginakekela. I knew ukuthi my parents needed me because sebangikhulisile bangifakile esikoleni bangifakile ku tertiary institution. I needed to do something for them as well. Yeah, sebakhulile. You understand leyo nto leyo. So that's where the thing iqale khona. I think usisi wami naye wabona ngisebenza kanzima. So ibusiness le ihumble beginning ithe mase iqala. It started 7 years ago. So then I was pregnant umntanami. My son now, he's 7. So ithe mangabe iqala le business usisi wami wahamba wayenza quotation ye deco. Angithi ufuna ukungenzela i-surprise baby shower. Bear in mind izinto mangabe uzenza abantu bayakhona ukuthi babuyele kuwena, especially emndenini mangabe bowenza kahle. Bayafuna ukubuya kuwe basho ukuthi hayi man sisi thina usinakekelile yabo. So ayilefika usuku ke ufuna ukungenzela i-surprise baby shower, uyahamba uyenza quotation. Maka yenza quotation usisi hayi makahamba yobuza lama royal chair. No, this price higher ngayo lezi zinto le. It's the very same price azothenga ngayo lezi zinto lezi. So that's how it started. Wayihlakaniphela uMaphi. Shout out to her uphindile. Wayihlakaniphela lento wathi no. Le mali le ngizohayara ngayo lezi zinto le. Ngizohamba because lento le iphupho la kasisi wami. Ngiyazi ukuthi uyayithanda vele ideko. Ngizobutha kancane.
Ngihlezi ngisho ngithi mina ayikho nje into ecala seyicala ile phezulu because sinabantu abaningi ababona abantu sebaphumelele la ngaphandle bafuna ukufana nabo kodwa they are not willing to go the journey that those people went. Yeah, understand intentional. You must like go through a lot of challenges to be where you want to be. You won't get everything in a silver platter. Sisiphumla ngiyasiva istory sakho yo yazi ngikuva kahle nje because I can relate in a way yokuthi I feel like thina ke abantu besifazane njengoba sikhuluma ngale issue yokuthi abantu besifazane abaningi not all of them they are lazy these days to work because bafuna yonke into izizele ngathi basaba ushintsho maybe is it basaba ushintsho mawuso njengoba usho uthi you had a boyfriend bekanemoto but you did not take advantage yokuthi my boyfriend has a car he must fetch me everywhere awusakhona nokukhwela itaxi awusakhona nokukhwela i-public transport because now so depende kulomntana abantu naye akasakhona ukwenza anything so you know that's why ngithi I think the world is not ready to talk about such issues masikhuluma ngama issues aso bacabanga ukuthi maybe siyenzani siyaba undermine. We are not undermining but we are trying to say iba ne backup umuntu wesifazane iba ne yabona ilona ine spine bayibitsa ka engi kasi umgogodla yes kune spine awuzimelanga wona so uzoba ndikindiki yeah understand into enjalo so hey sisiphumla yazini kuningi kuyale nale kuyaphithizela kube nentombazana engeke ngahlangana nayo ke ugirl yayi siyaxoxa kumnandi mina ngihambile ngiye eloneni ngiyoregister business yami I'm going to register my business ngihlangana naye ngaphandle uhleli hayi muhle ugirl hayi baba ishisa ula bona uya baba ugirl how girl siyahlangana ngifaki weave nayo ufaki weave okay ngiyamcompliment I'm that person who's out there I will compliment something mayinhle angikhona ukuthula ngento ezinhle hayi girl umuhle listen sesiyakhuluma manje sesiyadiscussa ngiyambuza wathenga ngapha ama weave yakho uyasho ngithi hayi nami wami ngiwathenga kumele ngishintshe nami yinhle weave yakho and all that so ngithi mina how wamalana umeleni and ngathi uyakhala ngithi mina how girl ukhalelani why ukhalelani kwenzakalani girl ugirl keep inyembezi akhulume the way i-boyfriend yakhe iluze umsebenzi ngakhona akasa uthi kimi you know what girl this man must go and borrow money to provide me I will never stay with a man that doesn't have anything he must go and borrow money I want a car umngani wami umuntu wakhe umthengela imoto umngani wami uhlala ku-apartment wayo wami umuntu angakhona ukungenzela lezo zinto lezo ngifuna indoda ezongiprovide ngifuna ahamba ayoboleka imali angithengele imoto anyenzele yonke into anginandaba nokuthi ulahlekelwe umsebenzi or kwenzakalani naye anginandaba naye and I'm like how girl uqabanga kanje vele every day ngiyambuza like indlela ocabanga ngayo le every day like have you ever thought ukuthi lo mntana abantu lo omthweze umthwalo ongaka naye uyayidinga support yakho emotional the same person who was doing izinto ezinhlo for wena namhlanje uwo omgcekayo namhlanje uwo tshela istranger like I'm a stranger to you you were not supposed to disclose izinto ezi-private so umuntu oyenza ube muhle kanje wathi hayi ukuthi akangi-understand mina I will never just stay with a man useless makahamba yofuna umsebenzi asikhona ngithi mina girl okay awukhona ukudla endlini awukhoni nokuthi nje uyozama imali yempuphu i-10 yempuphu encane athi no why must I do that he's a man why kumele kuhambe mina ngiyozama ukudla indoda ikhona ihlele endlini ngithi kodwa beka kuyenzela kwaphela so wena umuntu okumele uhlale nalomuntu lona ebunzimeni nasebumnandini wokumele uhlale naye so the same mentality sisiphumla esizama ukuyikhuza ukuthi abantu besifazane sebafe inhliziyo like uthando alusekho la kunganamali khona uthando alukho
Ngiyakuzwa kakhulu umuntu wesifazane as much as maybe singasounda sengathi si heartless or because thina sesifikile lapho bazosho kanjalo laba lethule ihlangene ngathi because sebafikile cha nathi kunala siqale khona and sihambe sayibona lento lena sasizwa na umoya ingcele or ngithi uNkulunkulu usizile ukuthi siyibone lento le because ngithi mangihleli phansi ngibona umuntu wesifazane let's say ama issues ayenzakalayo njengamanje wokubulalana komuntu wesilisa abulala umuntu wesifazane it's not the matter of me being heartless or ngikhulume because lento le ayenzeki kimi but there are issues or ama matters engabe ayavikeleka kwesinye isikhathi because umuntu wesilisa at the end of the day naye umuntu ithathe lento uyibhekise kuwena ukuthi what if umuntu bekancike kimina ngayo yonke into ngimfune toiletry ngimfune yonke into bengizokhona na angeke ngithi kumuntu wesifazane ohleli ongilalele njengamanje makaka ayibhekise kuye umuntu othi mina I will rely on my man for the rest of my life makaka ayithathe lo muntu ayibhekise kuyena ukuthi if ngabe lo muntu wesilisa bekazoyenza kanje ayenze mina will I be able to provide for the rest of my life now? So i-burden esibapha yona and they become baba ne-anger umuntu wesilisa masithi siyababheka esikhathini samanje bane-anger abasenaka ukuthula uthi makabheka umuntu wesifazane abone umuntu vela angamkhiphela umesa ambulale umuntu because manje ukhalela le imali zakhe bekazisebenzisa and mina in my personal journey ngibone kuba nokuthula emzini ekhaya obuya kulo nasemshadweni wakho mangabe nizobambisana because now omunye makaza nebhatha omunye uza nesinkwa uya understand senizele manje seninabantwana ikolo sivuliwe manje kufuneka into eziningi stationery isiningi school fees are expensive everything is expensive the clothes that we are wearing they're very expensive so umele umuntu wesifazane umcabangele umuntu wesilisa ukuthi naye uphuma emndenini uthola ukuthi unama siblings asamele aye esikolweni manje umcabangele naye ukuthi no lo muntu ngimthole anekhaya ngimthola
and especially if like we will yabona manje you are touching like a very deep point whereby abantu besifazane they don't understand yabona kumnandi ukuba noNkulunkulu kumnandi ukholwa umoya oyingcwele ngoba whenever you pray that God gives you wisdom to see izinto ngendlela yakhe hayi ngendlela efuna uwena abantu besifazane abaningi they don't know this thing yokuthi umuntu wesilisa uprovider emshadweni izwi likaNkulunkulu lisho kanjalo alithi iboyfriend kumele ikuprovidele angisho manje sesidlala ngalama boyfriend sesifuna basenzele yonke into masiceda makaceda ukuyenzela yonke into iboyfriend so uyahamba uyakuloya manje omthandayo uyamshiya umntana abantu kanti bekakukhuthalele umlimazile usala sekanesilonda akasathemba umuntu wesifazane baningi abantu engingabakhomba ngithi yabona lo mfana lo ufinhliziyo akasathemba umuntu wesifazane sekathi nje angisana ndaba ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempilo yami ngizoyenza whatever ngiyenza that's why le end up kuba nokubulalana because omunye umuntu anyeke afane nomunye akana inhliziyo yokuthi it's fine mina I will just let this person go ngimenzele omunye uyaya athi mina imali yami ngizombulala we had right now ngasikudala last year we had issue ka Lawrence the guy who killed we understand into enjalo so sometimes as understand it thina abantu besifazana into ezinjalo ukuthi whenever you hurt someone deliberately there will be like consequences of what you are doing ziningi izinto ezizokulandela because manje ulimaze umuntu inhliziyo sisiphuma
inhliziyo kakhulu because manje angithi mangabe sihleli kanje asizazi izizathu bayakhuluma sizwe mangabe sifunda lapha bathi abomndeni hayi bekamenzela hayi ugeli uye wathola umntwana ngaphandle ake sibeke nje siyenza umzekelo nje ukuthi mhlasimbe ugel uyowahamba wayoba nomntwana ngaphandle asike siyenze leyo example. Why uthola ukuthi isizathu vele the man was not able to provide the ways bekamjwayize ngakhona sekayahamba manje omunye umuntu ngaphandle uzuwenzani umtholisa ingane lento leyo icreator more anger kulo wesilisa lo bekayenza everything from scratch uthi manje shukuthi ongithwalisa ijazi uyabona ukuthi yonke lento seyeda inzondo phezukwenzondo that is why sizothi mangabe sihleli namhlanje sizothi umuntu wesifazane akusukume na uzithintithe ukusukume uzithintithe wenze something ayikho into endlula leyo and ayikho into ezokunika ukuthula njengaleyo because manje uzokwazi ukuthi uzithathele inqumo umuntu yes
ave kumnandi ukudla imali yakho oyisebenzelayo ave kumnandi ukuzithengela izinto ngemali yakho oyisebenzelayo uloko wenzelwa kodwa ayikho into emnandi njengokuenjoya izinto zakho kuba bonke abantu besifazana ababukelile namhlanje ngithi kini phakamisa namasokisi like phakamisa amasokisi umuntu wesifazane ngoba impilo is short and if you are not gonna enjoy your life usasela emhlabeni uzosikhalela lesikhathi lesi asiyenzeni something ngama talent uNkulunkulu asiphe wona akekho umuntu ongana talent la emhlabeni do something about your life thengisa makeup vuli catering thengisa plate estrategy ungabi namahloni ngento ekufakela isinkwa endlini ngento ekufakela impuphu endlini bantu besifazani laba abathi bona they will rely on men ngithi fire catch you there hambani yosebenza sikhathele yini sisiphumla in closing ngiyabonga kakhulu siswami your words were very profound and powerful ngathi uNkulunkulu angahandisa kuwe ngathi angakubusisa ngayonke into futhi akuphe nawe ukuhlakanipha ngithi mina nawe sokhombana lapha yasithi yabona sasho babukeli abahle that's it for me cheer up V is on your screen it's about to go down on the next episode of Uthando Nemali I'm out